Hello, everyone. This is RB Jules Barbie. I'm an adult doll collector. Welcome to All Things Barbie and Pretty. Today we have a special guest to help us to celebrate getting to 300 subscribers. Say hello to Kelly. This is Chloe's twin sister. It's Chloe, Kelly, and Sherry, and Mandy. They are two sets of twin sisters. So the other two, they're here with us all the time, um, holding it down in the fashion studio. So today, Miss Kelly is going to tell us about what we're going to do today. So I'm going to receive and let Miss Kelly tell you what's going on. Hello, everyone. I am Miss Kelly. Y'all, it's about time that RB Jules Barbie opened this closet. Do y'all know she bought this closet last summer during the Barbie craze? We all have been looking at her like she is absolutely crazy, but today she's finally gonna open this closet. So I'm going to step aside because this closet is way too big for me to open. But when she opens it, I get to sit down at that desk and try out a few things when she finishes. So without further ado, we're going to let Miss RB Jules Barbie open up this closet, y'all. Thank you, Miss Kelly. That was fun. Seriously, y'all, I did get this closet last year during the Barbie craze. And the Barbie craze was super amazing. I have to say, it was a little bit much for me. It caused a lot of anxiety, but I needed it. I really did. Because it was right on point for me when I was being reintroduced into my Barbie life, into the world of dolls. So I got this closet and it was crazy. Every time I thought I could get it, it kept selling out, kept selling out, kept selling out until eventually I could get the closet. And after I got the closet, then I seen that the closet was just in stock at a much lower price. And I hate when that happens because girlfriend does everything on a budget. You hear me? Everything on a budget. That's why I buy my dolls, as I do on eBay. I do everything on a budget. I have to. 'Cause that's how it is when you're starting over in your life and you're starting doing everything over. So, you have to do what you got to do. And this closet is no exception. But I really wanted this closet because I am getting into the pink era of my life. Everything in my life is slowly turning pink. In my Barbie's world, it is pink. So I'm joining in, the pink sensation of it all. So this closet fits. There are some people who get this closet and they'll, paint it, do other things. I have no intentions of changing it to any other color as opposed to the color it's supposed to be, which is pink. So I'm super excited that I finally got this closet, y'all. Excuse me for shaking the camera. But if I shake it, then you know where you are, right? So as you can see, this closet includes one wardrobe, one mirror, one chest, one stool, one mannequin, one table, lamp, jewelry display table, 5 hangers, a vase, a bag, and instructions. So let's turn it around on the opposite side here because it comes with, let's see, let me do this. Y'all, I got this box from Amazon, so that's why it's looking cray-cray. and looking like it's been through a few things. So as you can see, there's the famous, you know, Birkin inspired bag. And then it shows you how you can accessorize the closet. Of course, you know, many brands are showing a doll that could possibly fit into the closet. But I have learned through looking at other videos that Barbie can indeed fit into this closet beautifully. So that's why Miss Kelly is here to show us just how this looks. And we're going to put this closet together. So y'all, I've seen it done. Really not that, you know, good at putting stuff together. But I'm going to take a chance and we're going to open up this closet and we're going to see what's in it together. Excuse me for yawning, y'all. Y'all know what's going on with me. Me and my sleep issues, so that's nothing new. I'm working on that. So let me move the box and I'm going to open it so we can see what's in the box. I kind of pre-opened it a little bit on one side because of all the tape. And y'all know I'm preserving this box. So in this box, this is the mannequin's head from what I can feel on it. And this is the lamp. There's something else in here. I don't know what this is with it, but it's something else in here with the lamp. And then it's these little thingies that you use. These are like hangers. I don't know what it is, but we're going to open up everything in the box. So, I know y'all hear me struggling. I turned it around so I could see exactly what's in the box. So, this is the chest. And I'm just kind of feeling around and I don't know. This might be the little chair or table or something. I don't know. We're going to figure it out. I think that's the stud thingies that's needed. You heard me, y'all. I said stud thingies. Now, y'all, I do not have the batteries that is needed to turn these studio lights on. So, and that's okay. When I get some, I will turn it on. And that'll probably be when I go to the dollar store. So, here is the guide for it. And it shows you how to build a wardrobe. And so, let me see. It shows you everything that's in it. All the pieces. Try not to move so fast so you can see them. So it pretty much just shows how to assemble it. So, and this is what I'm going to use to assemble. So, that's why I have the girls move back because I need as much space as possible to try to get this assembled. So if this video is a little bit longer than usual, you know why. We are putting together this closet. But when I have larger projects, I will turn them into series. But the closet, I'm going to go ahead on and we're going to do this together. So, okay, let me see. Okay, we're going to put, okay, let me see. Okay, that's that one. Because, okay, you have two parts. So we're going to put this panel right here on this piece. And then the other panel goes on, and it's pretty too, on the other part. And as you can see, if I could bring it in closer, can't. You see it has like the little MFs on there for there. That's funny, MFs. For many fashions, y'all. For many fashions, that's what the MF stands for. So, y'all, I'm going to try to do this so y'all can see it done on the camera as much as possible. So, you're going to stand this up and you're going to put this large piece in right here. So, I have to try to keep it leveled. So, it's this bottom part here. Let me see. There we go. So as you can see, we're going to slide this part in together at the top. And I have to make sure that, staying in frame, that it is all the way in. So you see we got this part in. But there's some little studs that we have to put in right here to keep it locked in place. So let's look in one of these bags. Let me see. I'm just gonna open the top of the bag and look and see what's in it. That's not it. So let's see if this is it. Yes. So we have to put these little things right here in the back to secure these right here. So stick that in right here and it snaps in. So you heard it snap in. And then we're going to put another one in. Just trying to stay in frame, y'all. I'm sorry for the camera glare. And then that's that. So that's one side. And this is one of the closets. We'll get to that part next because I wanted to open it because you can indeed open it. Okay, so the next step is we're going to do the same thing to this closet part right here. And this is the front part. Let me see. This is the front part of the closet. Let me move this other part out the way. This is the front part of the closet where we're going to be putting in like the handbags, the purses, and everything here. So, let me see. Move that over here. So in the back part here, we have to slide the back part of it in. This back part here has to go over that like that. So we're going to slide that in. And let me see. Okay. Yeah, I had it upside down. Sorry. There we go. So we're going to slide both sides all the way up. This is fun though. Even though I've never done this, this is so much fun. Okay, we have it. See how we have this all the way on there, and then we have to do the same thing with these other studs on the sides. And that locks it in, and it's one at the bottom, and then it's, let me see, sorry about that, and then we have the last stud over here. Okay, so now let me see. The next step, after we do that, we've done that. Okay, they give us some rods to put inside the closet, so we have to go back and let me see. Now I gotta figure out how to get this closet open. Shouldn't be that hard, but good Lord. Oh, okay. So here is the inside of the closet. There we go. So we have to, let me see what this, because I'm doing it step by step, y'all. So let's open up something else that may have what we need in here. I'm kind of like just taking the tops off so I can look to see what's in here. Okay, it's not in there, so we're gonna set that over there to the side because we're gonna finish putting up the closet first. That's the desk. And okay, it must be in here. Let me see. Was anything in this one? Okay, it's nothing in there. And I need rods for that one. So I'm going to open up this one and see what's in here. Okay. It's just one rod. So it's got to be with the other ones where the gold rods were. So let us look again. Well, you know what? It's another one I didn't open. And y'all, I think that's where it is. The rods was in. It was in the thing with the drawer. So yeah. So let me sit this down because we need these two things right here. These are the two rods right here. And let's see where they go. So we are on page 6. So that rod, see where the two little grooves are right here? That's where one of these rods is going to go on from page 4. Right there. See? Right there. Sorry if the light looking a little janky, but it is what it is. So let us stick the rod okay, so we got the rod stuck in right there. Okay, so let's see what's next. Okay, once we get that done, okay, so the second rod on page 5, This is where the second rod is going to go, in the other part of the closet. So let's take the other rod and stick it, okay. Because see, on this one right here, see, you have all these different grooves on this side. So I guess you can adjust where you want to put the rod, but we're going to put the rod at the very top like we did with the other one. Okay, so there is the second rod right there. Okay, we have done all of that, and okay, now that we have done that, now we have to go to page 6 and do this step where we snap these two sections together. So let me close this closet back up so we can snap this together. May God be with us. Let me see. It should be fairly easy. I'm saying it should be fairly easy. Okay, something I didn't do. Ah, I see. Yeah, there we are. We are in the closet. So I'm going to explain this as much as I can. Okay, these two sections, let me turn it around the back way without knocking everything over. There we go. So these little things, you just snap them in right here. So you just slide it into each other and until it literally snaps. And as you can see, the little grooves, they fit into each other like that. And for the most part, y'all, I'm sorry. The closet is put together. So as I learned in looking at a video to put this together, this closet is about 14 inches by 15 inches. Okay. So that's that. And yeah, so this is the protective covering over the mirror. So I'm not going to take that off right now, but when I, actually get it going, then we will take it off. So then the next steps are that was the main step. So, okay. Well, they did this weird, I guess, because they wanted us to put everything together. So now it's time for the fun part. We're going to start putting stuff together and pulling stuff out. So, and setting up the table, setting up the closet. So this is the little faux chest. And we all know who it's inspired by. So, we're not going to make no big deal about that. So let me see where we can indeed, well, no, that's where the chair, do the chair go right there? Nope. Oh, let me see, wait a minute. Okay, that's not going to go there. So I saw the guy struggle to put it in, to put it together. So we're not struggling. We're going to put that chest up at the top and call that light. So that's one thing. So the next two things that we have, let me bring this over in frame. And I'm going to kind of do it this way so you can kind of see what's going on as much as possible. So this is the little mannequin right here. And so this is the little chair. So now I got to get the other parts to, okay, so we'll get to that. Ooh, it's a little scented flower right here. So, and it just sits down in there, and you can sit it on the side like that. And then you have the little mirror. Well, let me put that together in front of you. You have the little mirror. Here you have the little mirror. And this can sit. Okay. That can sit there. And we have the little lamp, which from what I saw, the lamp is top heavy. So it personally can be glued down. That's what I would do. Yeah, as we can see, we have a trouble with the mirror already. So that could be glued down. Okay. This is part of the part of the little side table. So we get ready to put that together. So to do that, let me see. Okay. So to do that, we're going to use these rods. Now, to my understanding, that people have been complaining because the grooves for the rods were kind of like backwards. So, and basically you slide the rod in on these little sides right here. So let's slide the other one in and see. Give me a second because I'm trying to. Oh, now mine's, see this little area right here? People were complaining that they didn't have the right side for them. But as you can see, I do have the right side for it. And it goes on this side. And a huge comparison was done to the Barbie fashion closet. To my understanding, when I looked at it online, cost a lot of money. Woo, honey. That was a lot going on for that closet. And it's way, way smaller. So the next thing we're going to put together is the little stool. And from what I can see, it's just simply snapping this into the little holes right there. This closet was fairly easy to put up. This was cool. No muss, no fuss. The instructions was really easy. So, y'all there. Let me see. Let me make sure. There we go. Make sure I put the side in there. So as you can see, no muss, no fuss. There it is. So, that's everything for that. And you know what I've learned, y'all? Here's something your girl learned. I've been looking at people who go to flea markets and to like different types of toy cons, and you know, at some point these things are going to be valuable. I promise you, they are going to be super, super valuable at some point. So y'all, when y'all get y'all instructions and things like that, keep them aside in mint condition as much as possible. Because I've even seen on eBay some different types of instructions, all kinds of books and things like that, that you think wouldn't be valuable, they are. So keep your instructions in books and things like that. So the only other thing before we get into setting it up, and let's see if we can put this lamp over here, because it's top heavy. Now, y'all, here's a suggestion I have, and it's only a suggestion. Should you decide to have a permanent setup for your closet, I would glue that lamp down to the table. That is just me personally. So I'm right here right now trying to get this purse out. Because they do have it. Oh. Woo. All right. Okay. It's glued. They got it taped down in the back. So once you take that part off, and you can put that little piece back in front of the box. See that? That's where the purse was. So we're going to take this out. So as you can see, it's still in there. And they got all this tape on the back. So we got one little piece of tape to take out. And then let's take a look at this fabulous, fabulous purse. So here is the faux Birkin bag. It's leather, and it's faux crocodile with the charms on there, and then it opens, and then you have the little stuffing on the inside to keep the form of the bag, and then the little flap on the outside of the bag goes in it like this. Hold on, trying to get it. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to get it. So okay. So once you put the little flat part of the purse underneath the strap like that, then you take your the little hook on the heart, and so the heart hooks onto the purse like that. So if you let me see, because it's going to be hard for me to show a whole lot of this. So okay. So okay, that was my fault, but it's still top heavy. So put the little hook on the purse, and you come in, you set your little purse up like this. Okay. All right, this purse doesn't want to do that, so. And that's simply because this purse is just top heavy. It's doing it on that side. So what we're gonna do, put your little coat hangers. Well, y'all, we are experiencing a malfunction, but guess what? We're gonna keep going. I've never had this to happen. So y'all, I'm gonna have to come right back. I have to fix this. Y'all, we are back. I don't know what in the world happened. It's just been one of those days where it just seemed like everything was just trying to go wrong from the jump, but we're going to keep going. So remember, I got these purses. In another haul. So we're going to take some of these purses and we're going to put them in Yeah. Okay. Okay. So that's just one purse. And then we do have another purse. How fitting to put all the pink items in here. And I guess, I don't know. Will the basketball purse sit up here? Well, there you go. Okay. So we got the basketball purse sitting up there. And then we have the other purse that I got. Let's see. We're gonna set it right there. And then we got some cute shoes. So we're gonna put our shoes up here on the sides here. And we have another cute little Barbie purse that can sit. And then we're gonna put our other little shoe right here, our little mini brands shoes. And then we got the cute little tennis shoes that's right there. Okay, and then inside here, I knew that was gonna happen. We can put the little brush and a little makeup thing. We're gonna leave that half open because, yeah, this lamp isn't our friend. And then we got the mini brands also. We're gonna set this aside. And then you got the little tote shopping bag. It's just handbags everywhere. Let's set this aside. And, let me see. Because I got most of my stuff over here that I, try to keep near me and keep it kind of organized. So let's see what's in this tub here. Here we go. Here we have, I got the pink Reeboks hat. So let's, put the pink Reeboks hat on. And then let me see what else we got. Okay. For all intents and purposes, let's put the cute little, let me see if we can do this. So we got the cute little necklace with the cute little piece of jewelry sitting over here. Super cute. Okay, y'all, I said super. But give me a break today. And then we have the little scarves, one of the little scarves that we can put on the hanger here. And then we're gonna hang up some other stuff there. So, yeah. All right, we got that going. And then let's see. And then we got some other little mini brands makeup and, lotion. When you're going out in the sun, we have that. Can, put that in there. And then, well, these are guy shoes. We will do something else for them. Okay, here we go. And then, let me see, I'm trying to get to some stuff. You got the little makeup. You got the little perfume bottle. We know who that's inspired by. And if you don't, just say hello to Mr. Marc Jacobs. Cute little inspiration. And yeah, we're gonna move this and the little makeup, and I don't know if it can fit in here. Well, y'all, the little mini brand ball can fit in there. So as you can see, we put it down in there on that side down there. And just giving you a little bit of an idea of, you know, because it's so much stuff. And then you got the little lipstick and things of that nature. You can, you know, put down in there and have all of that there. And then you have all of your, wait a minute, we missing a little bit of excitement. Girlfriend, she is so excited to be in this closet. I would be too. And it's not even fully, okay, let's do this. Let's see, she can definitely fit up under there. Let's get that out the way. So you can see, you know, it can look like she's looking down into the table, and she's disgusted with that lamp, and she's thinking about getting another lamp. She can finish setting up her stuff, and she got her other little favorite perfume right there. And you know, she gets her hair done, so she doesn't comb her hair much. So, but you know, she got a cute little piece of jewelry sitting there. And so that's pretty much it. And you could fill up this closet, as you can see, and then we haven't even filled up the space over there. So I will do a full panoramic view video to show everything once I get this closet indeed set up and how it looks. But that's just a few things that you can see where you can use to set up this closet. And she is super happy at the closet. Okay, let's look at the people so they can see how happy you are in this closet. So as you can see, she is really happy in the closet. She is just smiling and, you know, can't wait to fill up with all of her beautiful fashions. And I love it myself. So that's all I have. Again, y'all, thank you for 300 plus subscribers. Thank you for choosing my channel to come and have fun, see some crazy antics, even see some wild things go on, you know, and still we keep it going. We have fun, we keep it real, we keep it 100. And that's all I can ask for, y'all. So say good, so long to Miss Kelly. And you will definitely see this closet again. And also follow me on my Instagram, all things Barbie and Pretty. And this is where I also put up a lot of videos, well, not videos, but a lot of posts. So you will see us in the shorts. Continue to look at the community page, because y'all know I share a whole lot on the community page. So until next time, stay fierce and fabulous and sparkle and have fun in the new mini brands fashion closet like Barbie.